if you're considering getting one of the first generation Chevy Cruze, you may be interested if these vehicles were made as all-wheel drive. Actually, no, there is not a single Cruze, even the first or second generation, with all-wheel drive. Would be nice, because you see it has quite big wheels, not a bad clearance, and I think with all-wheel drive it would be more stable on the road, more fun to drive. But unfortunately, there is no officially manufactured Cruze with all-wheel drive. But there are, of course, some aftermarket kits that you can use to make it all-wheel drive. I don't know if it worth it, because the car is quite old. The youngest one of the first generation was made in 2015, and I think investing that much money in making it all-wheel drive is like a good project maybe for you, but if it's worth your money, that's probably not.